This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, it's great. So is there anyone else who needs to join? There are only 3 people, right?
No, I don't think so. I think that's it. Rishi's joining. He's gonna be like 2 minutes.
Okay. That is what. Did we discuss about types of hackers?
Yeah, we talked about types of hackers.
Okay.
We talked about the phases, and we stopped at social engineering.
Okay. Did we see any tools in social engineering?
No, we didn't do the triangle thing either. What is that triangle thing?
Yeah, we are going to do. We are going to see. So, should we wait for the other person or should we start the class?
We can start.
Okay, he came. No, he didn't. Yeah. Okay. So there is something called a security triangle. Security triangle is there for every organization. Okay. So what is the security triangle? So if you are developing any application, okay, if you concentrate on security, then functionalities and ease of use will be less. If you concentrate on functionalities more, then security and ease of use are less. If you concentrate on ease of use, then security and functionalities are less. So they have to develop any application which has this in between, where security, functionalities, and ease of use should be there. So this is security of triangle for an organization. There is no application which has this dot in between, where it has all 3 things: security, functionalities, and ease of use. Did you get this? Did you understand?
Yeah, we got it.
Got it, right? Okay. So we are getting into the Kali Linux, as we have already discussed about social fish, social engineering. We are going to see a tool called shellfish. Okay. So
We used Selfish last class.
we did use it. Okay. We are going into phases of hacking. The first phase of hacking is called information gathering.
We also did this too. We talked about this last session.
Yeah, we didn't do it practically. We
Yeah, we
didn't
missed.
gather information.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Okay, so now we are going to gather information. Before getting into Kali Linux, we are going to do information gathering from our Google search engine. Do you know we can hack using Google search engine?
No, I didn't know that.
Okay, so there is something called as Google Docs. Using Google Docs, you can, there are predefined keywords in Google search engine. If you use those keywords, you can narrow down the search results. Okay, for example, I'm searching for some IoT PDF. Can you mute your mic? Yeah. Okay. For example, I'm searching for some IoT PDF. So how many search results did I get?
60 million.
16 million.
Yeah, 16 crores. So I'll be using Google Docs keywords in Google search engine, wherein you can narrow down the search results. Okay. So NURL:IoT, and I'm saying file type PDF. Okay, so now how many research results did I get?
35,000.
Yeah, so can you see the difference? And you are only getting PDFs, not anything else. And if I don't want PDF, I want doc. I'll be getting only doc files. Can you see this?
Yep.
7 search results. Okay, so there are more predefined keywords like in title, in text, and site, etc. So you can go through all Google Docs in Google Hacking Database website, GHDB. This GHDB, this Google Hacking Database, is maintained by Kali Linux. Okay, there are more than 5,000 entries in here. Anyone who creates unique type of Google Docs, that will be stored in here. Did you get it? Anyone who try to use different type of Google Docs, if it is not existing in this database, then it will be saved in here. Okay, so here you can search. If I want cameras, I'll search for camera in here, network cameras which are connected, etc. of Axis Bank, index of Naukri.com. So do anyone know about Naukri.com?
No, I know about it.
Okay, Naukri.com is a website which is it's like job portal. Okay, people apply jobs in Naukri.com. Okay, so here let's say Naukri.com's data has gotten breached. Okay, where will this leaked data be? On internet, obviously. Okay, so I searched for Naukri.com and I told file type XLS. XLS is Excel sheet. The user data, his usernames, passwords, etc., everything will be stored in this Excel sheet. In any website, it will be stored in Excel sheet. Okay, so I told I want to see this candidate data. So it got downloaded. I'll open this candidate data. What will I find in this? As I told you, this is first of information gathering. We can gather as much as information as we can. You can see the person's name, his mobile number, his email, his current location, his reason for change of job, resume title, qualification, etc. Everything, whatever I need. I can even download his CV.
Wait, what
Okay.
did you search up again for this?
For this, you need to say index of Naukri and file type is XLS. Okay.
Working for
So
me.
You don't have the colon.
you need to see the spaces, everything properly. Follow the spaces, everything properly. You'll find.
I got it. Never mind.
Got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah. So within seconds, how many people data did I get? I got around 4,500.
So how did you know to look for this?
Yeah.
How did you know to look for this? Like, how do you know to search up Excel file? And like, how do you know that the website's storing the Excel file?
How do I know the website? If I want to target any website, okay, so if I want to target people who are looking for job, because they are more vulnerable, okay, it is easy to manipulate them. Okay, so I'll be searching for all job portal websites, and I'll be searching for their Excel sheets. It's not only Naukri, it can be monster.com, it can be many, there are many websites. Okay, so I'll be searching in many websites, and if I find the database, then I'll be taking it. Okay, not only this Naukri.com, even Facebook database is also there. Not in surface web, it is there in dark web. Okay, whatever you are searching in Google, that is surface web. That is backside of this internet, which is dark web, where you'll be having all leaked database in there. Okay, so I got all this information. So what will I do with this information? If I'm a black hat hacker, what will I do with this information? Any idea?
You can contact that person and try to scam them. Or scam, but try to infiltrate
Yeah,
them.
yeah. So yeah, that is what. So when I know the details about any person, so if I call them up and I'll tell their all details, okay, including their schooling, etc., their father name, the reason for them to change this shift to the job, etc. So I'll be taking that as an advantage, and I'll be telling them everything about them I know. And automatically humans believe, if someone know about you so much, then you'll automatically believe them. Okay, that is that is human mentality. So when I tell everything, he'll believe in me, and I'll tell my company is offering a job. You got shortlisted, and as I know his requirement, I'll be telling them that we have this requirement, and you are a suitable guy for that. So the package which we are giving is 10 lakh package. Okay. In order to clear the last round, you need to pay 10,000. This 10,000 will be refunded back once you have joined the office. Then obviously without even second thoughts, he'll be paying 10,000. Okay, as he is looking for a job, definitely he'll be paying 10,000. Okay, so there are 4,500 people. Okay, so 4,500 into 10,000, how much is it? It is in crores, right?
Yeah, it's a large amount.
Yeah, so that is what. See, being an ethical hacker, we know how to, earn money, but we will not cross our limits. So that is what makes difference between white hat hacker and a black hat hacker. So I hope you guys will also be white hat hacker. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So there are more. Okay. Not only these, there are like many things. Even terrorist people, they use this Google Docs index.shtml. SHTML is extension for network cameras.
Wait, I have a question.
Yeah.
So how does a website like Naukri.com have like that data like available like that? Why is it not secure?
Any website, they have faced this breach. Okay. They have faced this data breach. Okay. So where will data breach go? Now Naukri.com might have security. Okay. Now Naukri.com data might not get breached. Okay. But one time it got breached. So once it got breached, it gets into internet. Once it gets into internet, there is no coming back. They cannot delete it from internet. Okay. So same goes with Facebook, same goes with Instagram, same goes with Snapchat,
Where was
everyone.
that data hosted? Why was that data hosted on like the Naukri website?
Yeah.
Where was that data hosted?
It is there in their database itself. Naukri.com has its own database. Okay, so when Naukri.com is having a database, me as a hacker, if I try to hack its database, obviously data breach happens, right? If in initial stages. Okay, so when data breach happens, what will I do? As an unethical hacker, I'll be hosting it in internet. I'll put it on internet. So once I put it on internet, it will spread. Okay. No one can delete it from internet. because there are a lot of sources which replicates that clones that data and put it in their own websites. Okay, so why did that Facebook.com face data breach? Why did that Instagram face data breach? That all, it's because of their security vulnerability. It's because of their weak security. Data breach happened. Okay, so as you can see, this is live camera of Axis Bank. Yeah, did you get it?
How did you get access to this? What was the command you put into Google?
Index.shtml.
Okay, thank you.
Any camera which is having IP address, camera having IP address means it is connected to network. Any camera which is connected to network, we can search it through Google and access it. That is what terrorist organizations do. The airport cameras, they are connected to network. So they'll see through Google Docs, they'll find out, whether security guards are available in this particular area or not. If they are not available, they'll get inside and hijack the plane. That is what happens. This might seem simple to use, but it is very effective. Google Docs are very effective.
So what does SHTML stand for?
SHTML is extension for network cameras.
So the S is extension?
Yeah, S.SHTML is extension for network camera websites.
Okay.
Yep. So I'll just show you the Google. Yeah. So if you can see, there are many more, network cameras docs. So you can click on each one and find it out if you want.
So different.
Mute yourself.
So like different cameras will have like different like extension.
No. Every network camera will be having the same extension .shtml.
So
Every
then
cam
what if what if you wanted to look at like different camera, not access, like different camera?
u-
What would you
using their IP address. If you can see the IP address of this camera, using this IP address, you can see, or you can say, I want network cameras nearby. Okay, near me in URL view SHTML. You can see all network cameras which are near you. If they are there, if they are existing, you can see.
How does that work? How does it know what's near you?
It takes your location.
Your GPS location or your IP address location?
Yeah, your Chrome by default it will take your GPS location and your IP address too. Using your IP address, they can get to know which location you are in. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So these are about your Google Docs, and we are going to use this Google Docs in our website hacking. That is the main important thing. We are going to save our time with that Google Docs.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So coming back to our Kali Linux, we are going to start off with our information gathering. So let's go. So I hope everyone has installed this Kali Linux.
I think I forgot my username and password.
Oh, username is root by default.
Capital R or no?
No, small r, ROOT.
I kept the password simple, but it's saying incorrect password.
What did you set as your password, man?
1234. That's where you kept it as.